Hello, my name is Hassan Eraky from a Russian American school from grade 10, and I will present an English presentation about Corona and some cases of Corona. Now, as we can see here, this is a table about the cases of Corona that we have COVID-19 tests measured by 142,000 and the total cases by 131,000, and the new cases daily is 1,000 and more, and the new recoveries is 1,400 and more. That give us a positive that like the new recoveries is more than the new cases, and that give us a positive point in defeating corona. And the total death is only 490 compared for these numbers. This give us that corona is not a deadly disease, and the most of the deaths is old people, by the way. Okay, a local questions like how Corona affected the society, how Corona affected the social, how Corona affected schools, restaurants, malls, parks. Corona affected some regular exercises by going malls, going to hospitals. Now people afraid to go to hospital. Like some people were going to make their teeth having some illness, but now they won't go to hospitals because they may be affected by Corona, because only getting their teeth whitener or about something like not necessary for going to hospitals. And some parks now closed, malls was closed, restaurants strictly closed, schools was like closed and started to present an online schools. And until now it's continuing by online schools and online resources. And I assume that online schools have a positive point, because I learned by online schools, and I assume that it's not bad, but it's like also good. Maybe I miss my friends, I miss the break, I miss PE sessions, I miss art, but I also been having a positive, like I can learn now maybe easier, take some information by only screenshot and write it later to don't waste the mister's time. I can close my mic so I can't be I will not distribute my mister, and so on. Like it have some more like positive points that give us. And some people have been dropped in their jobs because of that, because in commercials and something like that, it have been like some bad effects in that. But however, it's like seeming getting better. Okay. Okay, as we can see here, how a popular question: how has it and how will it continue to affect the physical, mental, and emotional health? To avoid corona, we need to wear masks, we need to wear gloves, keep distance, like safe distance 1.5. Now we can go to restaurants and so on, but we must keep our masks on, or on our faces, not to keep it under. We should keep it above the nose and under the mouth to keep the most of your face saved. And try not to contact directly with people. Try to give some space for your breath not to be affected, or to affect other. Also try to stay at home, that if you are not going outside, like no need to go outside and see friends, that you can see them online, or you can go outside for shopping and so on. Now it's opened, but not as before, but not as when it was closed. Also, no need for going out malls like every time, not every day. You can go once per week, no problem, if you are not that affected. And also keep keep in mind that if you have a permanent disease, try not to go out, strictly not to go out, because these the most people have been died because of corona. Okay, that's all about corona. And like as we can see here, like comparing United Arab Emirates to other countries, like see North and South and Asia and Australia, and some have a hard corona cases, but like in United Arab Emirates is not few as like some in Africa, but not as Asia and South Africa and so on. So United Arab Emirates in between, and United Arab Emirates have like 1% or less in this that give us a positive, and like that's for all. I hope Corona will be disappeared from our entire life and won't return back. And I want to like all of you to stay safe and have a nice time.